Hercules 2.5. Great compactness, great performance. Optimized for lifting, turning, tilting and flipping parts up to 2.5 tons. Carry out welding operations in the optimal working position and in maximum safety. With the Bowman positioner, the welder can operate in the most natural position, without getting tired, thus increasing productivity. Safety always comes first. Bowman has patented redundant and highly reliable sensor systems and safety devices. Devices that limit the load on the Z, A, B axis, sensors that, during the descent of the load or in the event of a collision with the floor or other, immediately stop the machine, preserving its quality and ensuring the safety of the operators. The pieces to be welded will find an easy anchorage predisposed to the rotating platform provided with T-slots. The operator, after having positioned the elements in the most suitable position for the weld pool, can comfortably, through a remote control, start the welding process with a pedal start with adjustable speed without interrupting the process. Load cells, double motorization, double screw-on jack. The whole system is designed in redundancy to guarantee total safety even in the event of breakage of the main components. Component wear is signaled on the panel by dedicated sensors. An automatic greasing system of the main stress components is present to ensure their integrity and durability. A warning on the control panel indicates that the grease container needs to be refilled. To speed up the welding process and avoid hindering the welder, the lifter is equipped with an integrated connection of the negative pole of the welding machine. With standard current passage 330 ampere. Each machine is accompanied by a complete and detailed EC use and maintenance manual. The installation is performed by our specialized staff. Bowman, the best choice.